Okay, hello guys, good morning. It's 5:50 early morning. Cold early morning. Wala pang araw. So hindi pa ganap na summer. Okay. It's been weeks na. Or ilang linggo na to. Sumasakit yung ulo ko. Sumasakit, tumataas yung kilay ko. Okay. Let's talk about safety sa range. Okay. Okay, so meron kasi mga shooter. Although magaling sila. But thing is that they forget. Nakakalimutan na nila yung safety ng barrel, safety ng how to handle, no? Nakalimutan na nila yun. O safety rules. Okay? Lagi pong sasabihin pa na, dami kong baril sa bahay. Okay, dami kong baril sa bahay. Okay, considering where they're from, okay, so may talang baril siguro. Okay, so from that one, okay, ang problema lang, wala namang problema sa akin pag sinabi mong marami kang baril o marunong ka o magaling ka. Okay, but thing is that nakalimutan mo na yung yatang nandyan naman kasi yung yabang ng tao eh. Hindi mo maalis yung yabang na yan. Nandyan na yan. Mawala na lahat. Kaya nga nang sabi ng kumpare ko, mawala na daw lahat. Huwag lang daw yabang. Yun na lang daw natitira. Okay, so ganun. Okay lang yun ganun pag meron ka namang ika-prove or you have something to back it up. Okay, so magaling kang pumutok. Tapos nakalimutan mo naman yung safety rules. So wala, useless din, di ba? So ganito lang. Lagi natin tandaan na ang baril na ilagi natin isipin na ang baril na hahawakan mo o hinahawakan mo na may bala. Assume na lang. Think the gun is always loaded. Okay. Pangalawa. Second. Okay, so then always keep the gun pointed downrange. Towards the target, away from people. Away, hindi towards. Hawak mo nga baril, ikot-ikot mo naman. Naku, tumaas yung balahibo namin yan. Okay? Hindi ba sino bang hindi matatakot dyan? Okay? Okay. Pangatlo, yung trigger finger natin. Lagi, keep it away lang yun. Huwag mo laging saksak dyan sa trigger dyan. Labas mo lang yan. Tsaka mo na, pasok dyan pag ready ka na. Ready to shoot na. Okay? Minsan naman kasi mga iba, trigger happy pa. Okay? Pangapat man, although hindi natin lagi na-apply sa range dahil hindi naman we don't put it too much into consideration dahil sa range kasi lalo na pag indoor may bullet trap naman kasi wala naman diyang nasa likod. So be observant lang. Ang problema lang dyan, targetin mo yung target mo. Huwag mo tirahin yung target ng iba. Okay? Bawa, 4 kayo. May sarili kayong target. Yan target mo lang yun. Hindi na yun, hindi mo targetin, huwag mo targetin yung kasama mo. Sabi, wow, walang tama yun sa kanya. Tirahan ko nga. So, mag-iiba yung angle ng bala mo. So, delikado yun. Okay, so tandaan natin lang, whether you are beginner or matagal nang pumuputok, safety first. Okay? Think about your safety and the safety of others inside the range. Okay? So yun lang ha. Para wala nang minsan mang sorry lang din, medyo sabihan natin ng konti na ba mawarningan ka o sino ka man o sino mang mangyayari doon o sino mang darating. Okay, nabigyan ka ng warning, huwag mo na may kasama, take it like positively lang. Hindi yan na pinangaralan ka dahil ginawa nyo na basta take it positively lang. Just a reminder lang, okay? Okay, so yun na lang. So sino pupunta ng range, enjoy, think about safety, and listen to the advice, okay, or reminders from the instructors in the range. Okay, alright guys, bye.